What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Ano to?
Nasira yung camera mo.
Hi guys! So, medyo kasi may mukhang nasira yung camera ni Kim. So, ngayon, hello! Kumusta kayong lahat? Medyo
Maulan today
and pasensya na hindi namin natutupad yung mga
sinasabi namin
na mag-upload kami ng videos kasi I think i-discuss namin yan sa mga feature vlogs or sa mga feature videos namin, pero hindi muna natin pag-uusapan yan sa ngayon, pero abangan nyo kasi gagawa kami ng videos about that. And so today andito kami ngayon sa garden center, sa garden works. Medyo maulan, Sunday ngayon. And
hirap ng parking, guys.
mga siguro naka 10 minutes na kami paikot-ikot naghahanap ng parking kasi madaming tao. So isasama namin kayo kasi first time namin pumunta dito. And gusto namin makita Gusto namin makita niya yung ano. Is he leaving? I think he's leaving. Yeah, he's leaving.
They're leaving.
Nice.
Okay.
Dito na lang tayo.
Wait lang, guys, see you na lang sa loob kasi nag-intay kami ng parking and
Teka lang.
it's a bit stressful. May inom ng gamot si Kat. There she is. Lakas ng ulan. Ang laki pala dito, guys. Ang dami nilang mga things. May carpet, may decor. Yan, ang dami nilang decor. Yan, nandito pa lang kami sa mga decor. Lala, ikot-ikot lang. Cute, no? Ayan.
Decoration only, non-edible.
What is this?
It's a dried I think.
Oh. May mga damit-damit din sila. Ayan, no? May mga kapapunta na ng tita na mga damit. Kaya nandito si Kat. They also have a cafe dyan. So cute. Parang all-in-one. Maganda rin yan. Tapos ito na yung garden center. Ayan. May garden decor and pots. Cute na to. Ito na yung garden nila. They have so many lights. These are my favorite flowers because they're so pretty. Ang gaganda naman ng mga flowers. Wow, look at this. These are snake plants. If you're looking for mga easy to maintain plants, these ones are good. Look at these cuties. Oh, they also sell tomatoes. Ayan, no. Here, another area. But I think this area is seasonal. Kaya naka-separate.
Okay, so natapos na tayo dun. Medyo marami silang maraming kaganapan dun sa store na yun. Kasi may cafe, may mga pots, may mga pang decorations, may mga plants, maraming pwedeng gawin doon na pang bahay talaga.
Pang gardening.
Pang garden, oo. And natapos na kami doon. Isa lang yung nabili namin, yung yung
Photos?
Oo, yung photos lang.
And
naghahanap kami ng yung parang panghang niya na pot, pero wala sila doon. Meron silang
mahal.
Oo, meron
It's like
silang
$40. And they're heavy-ish.
O kasi mababasagin. Yung sa amin dati plastic lang yun. Yun yung hinahanap namin kasi mura lang din yun eh. hindi na kami nag-stay pa ng matagal dun kasi yun lang naman talaga yung kailangan namin. So, dati, ang dami naming plans. Sobrang dami naming plans talaga. May monstera kami, may mga rubber plants kami, may snake plants kami.
They all died.
And may pothos kami, meron din kaming ano yung namatay sa atin, crystallinum, meron din kami, binenta.
Binenta natin yung crystalline.
Oo, crystallinum, meron din kaming monstera, meron kaming ano pa ba yun?
Bed Bath & Beyond store closing sale.
We can go there.
Ayoko na.
Yung parang yung nakita natin na namatay. Yeah, ano pangalan nun? Anthurium. Alocasia, yes, meron din kami nun. Tapos, ewan ko, wala na talagang natira sa amin kasi
I think that started nung umuwi kami ng Calgary kasi walang nag-alaga sa mga plants. And then nag-freeze yung iba and then hindi na naka-recover totally. And then after nun, yun, umuwi ulit kami ng Calgary. Tapos, yeah, and then nung nag-start na kami na office all the time, parang napabayaan na rin sila. And they died and we sold some. Kaya, yun.
Totoo. So, ngayon, naghahanap na lang kami ng plant na hindi masyadong
Easy to maintain.
taas yung maintenance. Oo, kasi lagi na kaming wala sa bahay. So, yun. Maganda naman din kasi yung photos kasi naaano lang. Hayaan mo lang siya, tapos magta-thrive lang siya ng kanya.
True.
So, ngayon, pupunta lang kami ng Bottle Depot para mag-drop ng mga cans. And then, we'll see kung ano pang gagawin.
Probably uwi na kami after that.
See you guys. Alright, so andito na tayo sa Bottle Depot. Ito lang yung iaano natin. Ito lang yung ibebenta natin ngayon. Nakabenta na kami kahapon pala. Naka $12. $12 ba yun?
At 11.
Naka $11 kami kahapon. Oops. Konti lang siya today. So, sorry, medyo maingay. Konti lang siya today. Konti lang yung nakalakal namin. Kailangan mo pa ba ng isa? Or tingin mo kasha yan? Patong mo na lang?
Ay, kailangan ko.
Patong mo na lang. Yan lang yung nakuha natin.
Yeah, $2.95.
$2.95 para sa 32 ka beer cans. Yung beer cans pala guys,
10
8
Ay,
cents.
8 cents lang?
8
So,
cents
pop
na.
is 10.
Yes.
So, kanina pa kaming nasa bahay.
Nakakain na din kami.
But we forgot to vlog. Yun yung binili namin, no? Yun. Right there. Dapat ilalagay namin siya dito. Like hanging. Pero hindi pa namin malagay. And then we bought tulips last week. Kasi it's spring. And then kanina nagmasikat. So Santo Niño nandyan. And then
Alis pa pala kami.
yeah, alis pa kami. Punta kami ng Walmart kasi so sikat. Nag-ano siya ngayon, nag-iron, and so she needs to drink that with orange juice. So we're gonna go get some orange juice kasi wala na kaming orange juice. I think she goes through one entire one in like a week. So that's what we're gonna do. Anyways, yeah. Alis na kami in a bit. Punta kami Walmart. Okay, so the reason why hindi kami nakakapag-vlog lately is because life has been so busy and Kat has a special announcement. Uy! Ano?
Okay, so PR na tayo, guys.
Yeah!
Yeah, so after almost 2 years na nag-aantay kami ng application namin for PR application, yung sa akin, stressful siya. And finally, nakuha na natin yung approval. Siguro, ichichika namin yan mamaya, or I don't know, maybe sa next vlog namin, kasi medyo stressful yung pinagdaanan namin. Ewan ko kung naririnig niyo ako.
Yeah. For now, let's just go to Walmart. Yeah. Kikwento na lang ni Kat. Next vlog, we promise. Okay, punta muna kami ng Walmart. So, we didn't end up vlogging at Walmart, and we keep forgetting. But I guess that's it for the vlog for today. Yeah, I guess just watch our next vlog for sa experience ni Kat sa ano niya, PR, sa mga kaganapan namin last weeks, kaya wala kami masyadong vlogs. We'll make sure to actually explain everything, and yeah, let you guys know what we've been up to and why we're not really vlogging, or why we keep not doing whatever we're saying that we're gonna do. Yeah, kasi medyo busy talaga. And yeah, so I guess that's it. Hanapin ko si Kat to end this video.
Yes, guys, yun na yun. So,
Yeah, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, because please.
yes, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and yeah.
Yeah, so the next video, watch it, because we explained everything that happened.
All right. Good night.
Bye.